Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkmark Farms, and I just want to take you on a quick tour of the farm today. Let everybody know that we will be open this season and more. We've got all of our seed orders in. I got another one on the way. I've got the rest of the fertilizer coming in here before long. We just got another equipment supply in today. Let me turn you around on that. There's my big pile of irrigation supplies, fencing, and different things we'll need throughout the season. Fertilizer should be here tomorrow to get us through the season. And also wanted to let everybody know that we still have 12 CSA memberships going. Got a lot of crops going this year for it. So let me take you in here and show you around real quick. I'm over in the propagation house right now. We got basil going, we got some kale back here, we got a bunch of cucumbers started up front, onions, a couple rounds of lettuce that are ready to go in when it dries out a little bit more. There's the lettuce for next week. We got a bunch of tomatoes I'm going to fill the high tunnel with. Got some celery going right now. Take you inside and show you what we got there too. Here inside it's looking a little bit more sparse, but we got a bunch of lettuce starts up top. They're getting ready to go outside. The week after down here, we got some pea microgreens going. It's be ready here in a couple days. Got basil. We got our spicy mix, and we got more in the germination chamber getting ready to come out. Okay, I'm over in the high tunnel that we put up this fall. We've got a bunch of lettuce planted out. There's some starts that are, those are probably too late to plant those, but we got a bunch of kale that's getting ready to go out as well. I'll trade up. That should do probably, I think I planned for 4 rows of kale this year. We got our lettuce, leaf lettuce, and more leaf lettuce, and we got head lettuce. Got a bunch of kale that I overwintered that if it doesn't bolt on me, I should be able to start harvesting on. Also, we got asparagus down here, not asparagus, celery down here at the end. I overwintered as well, which I should be able to start harvesting on that anytime too. Over here in the cat tunnel, we've got it fully planted out too. Same thing, we got lettuce running down all 3 beds going. I got some radishes planted on the end here. These were seeded, waiting for it to drop below freezing tonight, and I'll water that in probably tomorrow or the next day. Now out here in the new expansion, we got a bunch of garlic underneath row cover here. And in the tunnel, we got a bunch of overwintered spinach and all-star mix, which is a lettuce mix in the back here. Hopefully it'll start pushing with these warmer temperatures. We can start to harvest off of it. If we come down to the end down here, nothing's starting to pop yet. But I planted all 4 of these rows with potatoes. There's our only other field production going right now. It's all underneath row cover right now. And it's going to be windy as heck until it actually drops below freezing in 20s the next couple days. So at this point I don't want to pull it off to show you, but we got, let's see, lettuce, spring mix, lettuce, radishes I believe. So we got 4 rows planted here. Oh, and a 5th one as well. Now, like I said earlier, this year we're actually scaling up our production, even with the current environment of what's going on with the coronavirus. Got all this I've been working on last fall and this spring. Bring it back down to the other side over here. Same thing, just repeated. That's where the tunnel's set up and it's already planted in. And then on top of that, I have all of this behind me. This little green section here is actually cover cropped with wheat. I have been hearing about a lot of people worried about, the farmers are worried about how much to plant and if they're going to have supply lines. For us, we're going to go what we did last year, what I was planning on doing more this year, and I'm even going to go more than that. You have to remember, as farmers, we have an obligation to the community, that we're the ones that have the knowledge to grow the food for the population. And if it really comes down to it, we must all do our best to make good on that promise. And I'd also encourage anybody right now that has a plot of land that they can grow in to go out, get seed, maybe pick up some starts. They should start coming to the stores here anytime, and plant a garden for yourself. Not only is it good, it gets you outside, gives you something to do, enjoy the fresh air, get out of the mundane environment of the media, and also you'll have great vegetables to eat. Well, I hope you all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.